Well, today I'm going to show you how I'm doing my pots this year for 2025. They're the winter pots for the holidays, and they will last all winter. I am using a potted live blue spruce. This is called a baby blue spruce, and they can get quite big. Don't let the name baby fool you. They will get quite big. And last year I used the same plants and we planted them out into the garden, and they're doing fantastic. So double whammy, winter and then out for the summer and the rest of their lives. Anyways, follow along and I'll show you what I'm doing. I planted the blue spruce in my outdoor pots and I put the soil up against the pot. Now I haven't taken them out of the pot. They're still in it because in the spring I can plant them out. So they're already planted. I put them in on the weekend because I was afraid it was going to freeze and then I wouldn't get my chance to get them into the pots. Anyways, they're in their original pot, and then the soil is around them to protect the roots. What I'm going to go in with is white pine. And these we got off our driveway, and they were just begging to be used. They're so beautiful. Now you can, when you cut it like that, you've got this little stick. You can cut this little bit back and still use that part. I'm just going to use the white pine to fluff up the bottom and sort of fill it in so you don't see the soil in the pot. If I need more, I can go get some. So I'm going to put it between the pot and the edge of the planter and just stick them in. And this is quite easy to do. You don't need any design skills. And I'm going to go all the way around the edge of the pot. There. And the next thing I'm going to put in is these winterberry sticks with the winter berries on them. I got these locally from a cat rescue. And what better way is there to support local than to get it from a rescue that helps poor unhoused cats? I'm just sticking these in. And that's it. I've already put the lights on the other night. And they look great all lit. Here's the first one that I made. And I just love the simplicity of it. I love those red berries, the way they pop off that icy blue of the foliage of the Baby Blue Spruce. And the other green just adds a softness of the pine. It's going to look amazing when it snows. Now here's this one. And I'll come out and take a photo or take a video of them at night. And Daisy just has to be in here, don't you, Daisy? Daisy, are you going to say hi? No, she's going to be a snob. She's feeling a little lonely since her best friend and sister passed away a month ago. Anyways, hopefully this inspires you to make your own pots. Oh, and if you don't have a live tree like what I've got, you could go and get a small cut tree and stick them in your planter and keep them wet, like keep the water till it freezes, and they should last all winter. You don't have to use a live tree like what I've done. You can use a cut Christmas tree. Here's one of last year's porch pot trees, and it's doing well. It's about 2.5 feet tall, and I'm expecting some good growth on it next year. This year, with the drought that we had, it was pretty crummy, and I was watering these by hand. But they're such a beautiful little tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspired you to get out and get your winter pots done before the snow comes. Bye. Hey, good girl.